The Dutchcat Houseboat. The Dutchcat Houseboat is a sleek, versatile vessel designed for both leisure and long-term living on the water. Its catamaran hull provides superior stability, making it ideal for electric cruising while offering excellent fuel efficiency. The spacious interior is designed for comfort, with multiple cabins and ample living areas to accommodate families or groups. The hybrid propulsion system, featuring both diesel and electric engines, ensures efficient travel with the option for eco-friendly operation. Equipped with modern amenities like a full kitchen and bathrooms, the Dutchcat is perfect for both residential use and tourism. Measuring 12.5 meters in length and 4.9 meters in width, it combines luxury, performance, and sustainability for an exceptional living experience on the water. The Crossover Houseboat. The Crossover Houseboat combines the best features of a houseboat and a yacht, offering a unique vessel designed for comfortable cruising on rivers, lakes, and protected salt water. With configurations of 2 to 4 staterooms, the houseboat boasts a spacious layout with high ceilings and large windows, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. Luxury amenities include a full-size kitchen with modern appliances, multiple seating areas, and even a hidden bathtub for ultimate comfort. The expansive flybridge top deck features sun pads, an outdoor kitchen, and plenty of seating for relaxation and entertainment. Powered by a single diesel or electric engine, its trimaran hull design ensures fuel efficiency and stability. Ideal for leisurely cruising and versatile use, the Crossover Houseboat offers a comfortable and practical solution for water enthusiasts. The C310 Houseboat. The C310 Houseboat, part of the Bluefield Cabin series, is designed for holiday rentals and is perfect for inland waterways and lakes. With options for 1 or 2 bedrooms, the C310 offers flexibility for different group sizes. Its quality design, featuring a pitched roof and metal cladding, allows it to blend seamlessly into natural settings. The houseboat is highly insulated, making it suitable for year-round occupancy. Inside, the layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, creating a cozy and comfortable environment. Measuring approximately 31 feet in length and 10 feet in width, it offers a practical living space for both residential use and holiday rentals, providing a unique and relaxing experience on the water. The ARKUP 75 Luxury Floating Home of the Future. The ARKUP 75 is a revolutionary floating home designed to combine luxury with sustainable living on water. Equipped with hydraulic pilings, it can stabilize or elevate itself above the waterline, ensuring durability even in rough waves. Its eco-friendly design features a 36 kilowatt solar panel array, a 1000 kilowatt-hour battery bank, and a rainwater collection system, supporting off-grid living. The ARKUP 75 offers 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a modern open-plan lounge, kitchen, and dining area. With a Category 4 hurricane resistance rating, 2 electric thrusters for navigation, and a price of $5.5 million. This houseboat is perfect for eco-conscious luxury seekers or innovative tourism ventures. The Aqua-House. The Aqua-House is a luxurious houseboat designed to elevate the experience of living on water. Offering multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, it provides ample space for families or groups to relax in comfort. Modern amenities, including a full kitchen, open-plan living areas, and contemporary furnishings, create a welcoming home-like environment. Large outdoor decks allow for dining and unwinding while taking in stunning water views. With eco-friendly options such as solar panels and water recycling systems, the Aqua-House caters to sustainability-conscious buyers. Measuring 40 to 50 feet in length and accommodating up to 10 guests, it is ideal for leisure or rental use. Designed for stability and performance, it's perfect for calm lakes and rivers, blending luxury with practicality. Surla Houseboats. Surla Houseboats specializes in crafting luxurious houseboats for leisurely stays along Kerala's picturesque backwaters. Offering comfortable accommodations with modern amenities, these houseboats include spacious bedrooms, bathrooms, and dining areas. The design often reflects traditional Kerala architecture, featuring intricate woodwork and cultural elements. Guests enjoy scenic views of the serene backwaters, making it the perfect setting for relaxation. Surla Houseboats also offers personalized services, including tailored packages with meals, guided tours, and activities like fishing and village exploration. With lengths ranging from 70 to 100 feet, the houseboats accommodate 2 to 10 guests and are available for day trips or overnight stays, offering an immersive blend of comfort, culture, and natural beauty for travelers. The MX.4 Houseboat. The MX.4 Houseboat is a luxurious and spacious vessel designed for leisure and comfort on the water. Offering ample living space, it can accommodate multiple guests with comfortable sleeping arrangements, ensuring a home-like experience. The houseboat is equipped with modern amenities, including a full kitchen, bathroom, and living area. Expansive decks provide outdoor spaces for sunbathing, dining, and enjoying scenic views, enhancing the overall experience. Built with a stable hull for smooth cruising, the MX.4 is ideal for various water conditions, making it perfect for recreational use or as a rental property for tourists. With a maximum speed of 10 to 15 knots and capacity for 6 to 10 guests, the MX.4 is designed for leisurely cruising, offering a comfortable and stylish way to enjoy the water. Bravada Atlas V-Series Houseboat. The Bravada Atlas V-Series Houseboat offers a luxurious and spacious living experience on the water with 3,200 square feet of living space. Designed for lake cruising, it includes 5 staterooms, 2 kitchens, and numerous entertainment options such as 10 flat-screen televisions. The houseboat's innovative construction features curved glass sides, enhancing the views from inside. Outdoor living is equally impressive, with a 15-foot water slide and a fire pit for evening gatherings. Ideal for families or groups, this vessel offers both comfort and style for extended stays on the water. Whether for relaxation, entertainment, or events, the Bravada Atlas V-Series provides an unparalleled experience of luxury lake living.